Good morning, everyone. This is Urhobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 3, verse 1 to 3 in Urhobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyobi ronye era awo ronye ovu rite era. Verse 1. Ve oke yena John ri Baptist dare ka ogwogwo inyere esiri na ve agwa ri Judea. Oda tane. Verse 2. Kurierie kidie uvie re ogyubu si ke re. Verse 3. Kidie onana he okwo re azaya mra royi ne ururu ovu re pe re we evu re agwa arwere igere re orowokwo re ru igere royin povi. Thank you.